Every morning and night, the tiny town inside Leo's mouth came alive. It was a busy place, full of teeth that loved to smile, munch, and laugh. But one day, the sugar bugs arrived. They were sneaky, sticky, and loved to throw parties on teeth that weren't brushed.
Oh no, if they stay too long, they'll make holes in us.
Just then, whoosh! In zoomed Timmy the toothbrush, wearing his sparkly cape and riding a minty wave.
Never fear, Timmy's here. Let's brush away those sugar bugs.
With the help of Leo, who brushed every tooth with care, Timmy chased away every last bug. The town sparkled again, and all the teeth cheered.
Thanks, Timmy. Let's do this every day.
2 times a day keeps the sugar bugs away.
Moral: brushing your teeth every morning and night keeps them strong, healthy, and ready to smile bright.